have a treat for you. Come on over and watch my video if your dash looks like a Christmas tree. The check engine light comes on if there is a problem with your engine or the emission system. The oil light comes on if there is an oil flowing problem in your engine. Stop, pull over, check your oil, and call a tow truck if needed. The tire pressure light comes on when one or more tires aren't at the correct pressure. The battery or charging light comes on when the battery isn't charging properly or there's an electrical issue. The brake or ABS light comes on if there is a parking brake engaged or there's a problem with your braking system. The coolant light comes on if your engine is overheating. So, if you have all these lights on, it's not a good day for you. And that's why I can make it better. Give me a call at Moore's Automotive.